Money Monday, and we are helping you once again get the new year started off on the right foot. The first month of the year really is that perfect time to get all of those finances in order and set that foundation for the rest of the year.
That's
hopefully.
right. And today we are joined by Virginia Copley from First Financial Bank. Thanks so much for being here with us. We have to keep this going even after the start of the year. Now, Virginia, you have said now is the time to organize what you call your financial junk drawer. What do you mean by that?
Sure. We are busy people. And as busy people, we make financial decisions in the moment and we move on. And so what can often happen is over time, you start gathering up multiple accounts. You go to the car dealership to buy a car. You get the best deal at the dealership. You go to the store to buy something, you think, well, I'll get that credit card that has the low introductory rate or the discount. And then over time, that can build up, and then you need to organize. You need to simplify your life.
I do know a lot of people that had multiple gym memberships, and it's like, wait a minute, I only use one of these, maybe one can go.
And I do think too, you feel a lot of times, I know, pressure at certain stores because they'll, really be, are you sure you don't want to open up a credit? You could save 20% right now on this order, and that'll be $200 or whatever, wherever it is. Let's talk about, because it's not just credit cards or, like you were saying, different accounts that way. A recent survey that we were reading about showed that half of all Americans, maybe you, have more than one bank out there too. So what do you tell people who are dealing with that challenge of multiple banks? Should you only be using one account to keep things centralized?
Well, it does make things a lot more simple. It is very exciting to us to think I'm getting the best thing here or I'm getting the best rate there, but over time it becomes very hard to manage that, to keep up with everything, and then you're opening yourself up to late payment fees, or if in the case of credit fraud, if you're not watching things closely. So even though it might feel like I'm not getting the very best deal, consolidating everything to one or two institutions where you can really keep an eye on it. And most institutions want your business. They want that relationship, so they'll give you benefits for that.
When you say the word consolidation, it's good for my organizational brain. Now, where are some areas that we can think about consolidating debt?
Absolutely. So back to, it's just been the holidays. Everybody went to all the stores, got that great rate, got that discount. And then you can wake up in January and all of a sudden I've got 3 new credit cards that all have balances on them. If I'm not careful, those interest rates will begin to skyrocket. Interest rates are going up anyway right now, and most of those credit cards and store cards are the highest interest rates out there. And so thinking about how do I pull all of that into one place, either on a home equity line of credit, a security secured line of credit, or a zero interest rate credit card, so I can really pay down that principal and not pay so much money in interest. That's a wonderful place to start.
I did that years ago. I was going through a tough time and I had many different accounts, and finally I just said, all right, I just got to get it all onto this one. So at least, and it also helped me mentally to see it actually going down instead of that panic every month of like, oh my gosh, I have all these things that I have to pay off, right? Talk about also investments. I know you talk a lot about, you call it cleaning up the financial junk drawer. What does that mean for people's investments?
Sure. So it's so easy, especially now. We've all seen the news around people changing jobs recently, people retiring. It's very easy to leave, they call it orphan 401ks. You leave that 401k behind and you kind of forget about it. And the longer it's out there, the less connected you are to it, have the ability to manage it, ability to make sure it's working in tandem with everything else that you have going on. So thinking about how can I pull all of that into one place, whether that's working with a trusted advisor, like at First Financial, we have the Yellow Cardinal Advisory Firm to help you with that organization, or even just pulling it into your current 401k at your current employer can make such a difference. Again, fees, the opportunity to make sure that you're maximizing the kinds of returns that you're getting can all make a huge difference in the long term.